The 2019 iPhone 11 or whatever it will be called has already been leaked, so I will tell you what iPhone 11 has to offer, its design change and the various model it will launch along with the specs. So let's begin. The design aspect of all the upcoming iPhones will be changing, at least on the back, and on the front they look identical to iPhone 10 and the phones that came after that. The iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max will get an additional ultra wide angle lens to complete a new triple camera array, while the iPhone XR2 will move to a dual lens camera setup with the addition of optical zoom similar to that of iPhone 10 and XS. Even though the cameras on the back will be dual camera for iPhone XR2, the design will be similar for all the iPhones. It has been confirmed multiple times that this is the design which Apple will be incorporating, so whether you like it or not, it's going to happen. There are going to be some minor changes as well, so apparently the mute button will be moving up and down instead of moving left and right like the one found in OnePlus devices, and I think this switch will be easier to use since even the volume button themselves are used in similar directions. Under the hood it will support the Apple's A13 processor, which may go into mass production by Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing this month. The A12 Bionic chip, which powers the iPhone XR, XS and the XS Max, has been the fastest processor inside a phone based on benchmarks. However, the latest Snapdragon 855 was closer to it, but with the arrival of A13 chip, this distance just got wider. The biggest change is coming on the back with triple lens module, which is pretty big upgrade from what we had from any major iPhone since the iPhone 7 Plus from 2016. All of these cameras will be housed in camera bump, but it's not as detachable as could be found in older iPhones like the one found in iPhone 10. All of these changes will bring a noticeable thickness. For iPhone 11 a 7.8mm thickness, and for iPhone 11 Max a total of 8.1mm thickness. And other notable upgrade include two-way wireless charging, allowing you to use the iPhone 11 as a charging mat for other devices. It's a rumor we have heard more than once now, so it's definitely going to happen. And also the battery will get a bump of 20 to 25% for Apple iPhone 11 and 10 to 15% for the Max variant. There will be an in-screen fingerprint scanner which can scan your fingerprint when placed anywhere on the screen. Meanwhile, another iPhone leak suggests the new handset could support input from the Apple Pencil that currently only works with iPads. And finally, there are reports suggesting there will be a use of modified PI, that is MPI, materials for antennas rather than liquid crystal polymer. That means these antennas will perform better and are cheaper to manufacture. So guys, this is pretty much it. So if I get some new leaks, I will post them in the comments below. See you next time. Peace out.